In this video, I will be sharing with you how you can send a file in Teams, whether it be in a group or an individual message. So here I'm just going to open one of the existing chats. So I had a meeting demo here, so I'm going to select this. That says attach file when you overwrite. Then select where you want to upload from. So you can attach files from the cloud or upload from this device. So I'm going to go with this device. So this is a text file that I want to upload. So I'm going to select that. Browse to the directory for the file that you want to upload. So let's go to my documents. I'm going to select this W8BN file. Open. Once the file is uploaded, select send. Let's say there are several messages that came in the group and you want to relocate this file again. What you can do is in that chat select files and you will see the files and even links on this page that you sent in the chat. So that's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.